For identity operators are used to compare the objects if they are not equal, but if they are actually the same object within the same location or memory location. What this means is that for the identity operator, we have is and then we have is not, right? So it compares two objects and check if they are equal or they are not equal, right? If you want to check if they are equal, you use is, and if you want to check if they are not equal, you use if not. So the is returns true if both variables are the same object. So if you have a variable x and y, you can use the Python identity operator to check if x is y or if y is x. And you can use the if not to check if they are not identical, if they are not the same. So for example, if we have name equals to Python, and then we have, let's say, name 2 and name 1. So let's say this is PHP, right? We can check if we can actually just print it. We can check if name 1 is name 2. If we run this, we should get false because these are two different programming languages. And if we use if not, it would return true because it checks if this is not this, and since it is not the same, it returns true. But if we're using is, we're checking if this is this, and then it's not it clearly, that's why it's returning false. So if this was Python, and we're checking if name 1 is equals to name 2, it's returning true. And if we do if it's not, then it should return false in the case. So it's very straightforward, and that's how the Python identity operator works.